All the time.
Well, don't you worry none. We just plan on stopping here for dinner.
But we just stopped for her to winky tink at lunch.
That's right, and now we're stopping for dinner. Come on.
I ain't hungry.
Mr. Robinson?
That's right.
I'd like a minute of your time.
Not buying today.
Oh, not selling. Just want you to meet somebody, Mr. Robinson. Only take a second.
So what?
Tell me your name, honey.
Addie.
Addie what?
Addie Loggins.
Ain't she a sweet child?
No, she ain't a sweet child.
Well, maybe she don't seem sweet right now. That's because she's sad. That is, with her mama being dead, but with your brother getting drunk and driving into that tree like that.
What are you trying to pull? Get out of here.
Get out of here.
All right, I'm going, but let me tell you where I'm going to go.
I don't care where you're going to go.
I'm going to go see Mr. J.T. Faraday. Now, you know who Mr. J.T. Faraday is? Well, he's one of the biggest lawyers in Kansas. And he don't favor the man with the money. He favors the man without it. And you know what's going to happen to your brother? There's going to be a lawsuit against him. You know what happens then? Everything's going to be just tied up in knots, just sitting there. That's his banking money, his house, everything he owns, including half this plant. Now, don't think that poor child ain't entitled, because she is. Now, I was thinking a couple of $1,000s would be acceptable.
A couple of thou. I'll give you 200.
Eat your coney island.
You my pa.
Of course I ain't your pa. I'll get you some relish. Coney island ain't no good without relish. Look, I know how you feel. I lost my ma, too. I even lost my pa. I don't even know where my sister is. I wish I could tell you I'm your pa, but it just ain't like that.
You met her in a bar room.
Just because a man meets a woman in a barroom don't mean he's your pa. Eat your Coney Island.
Well, then if you ain't my pa, I want my $200. I want my $200. I heard you through the door talking that man. It's my money you got, and I want it.
No, you just hold on a second.
I want my money. You took my $200.
Will you quiet down? You hear?
I want my $200.
Hold on now. Just hold on. Let me explain something to you.
It ain't as if you was my pa. That'd be different.
Well, I ain't your pa, so just get that out of your head. I don't care what those neighbor ladies said.
I look like
You
that.
don't look nothing like me. You don't look any more like me than you do that Coney Island. Eat that damn thing, you hear?
We got the same job.
Lots of people got the same jaw.
It's possible.
No, it ain't possible.
And I want my $200.
All right.
Yes?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Is Mr. Rudolph Morgan at home, please?
Mr. Morgan?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Pray, Moses Pray, Kansas Bible Company. He'll know.
No, I'm sorry. Mr. Morgan has passed on.
Oh, ma'am. I don't know what to say.
What was it you were seeing him about?
Well, he ordered this here Bible.
Bible? Rudolph ordered a Bible?
Yeah, he ordered this here deluxe edition with the lady's name.
Lady's name?
Oh, I expect some special gift for family friends. But under the circumstances, I'll just give you back Mr. Morgan's dollar deposit, and there won't be no further obligation. Ma'am, I just don't know how to put into words a sense of sorrow that I feel.
What name is in the corner?
I don't really know what name Mr. Morgan had put in the corner there. Let's see now. It's here somewhere. I've got it. Here it is. Pearl.
I'm Pearl.
He must have got this here good book for you, ma'am.
Yes, he bought it from me.
Of course, now, you're not obliged to take it.
Of course I'll take it.
There's just one thing, you see. I told Rudolph I could sell him a cheaper Bible. But no, naturally, he wanted the best. The best, of course, being the deluxe edition with the lady's name printed in Child of the Manger gold letters.
Oh, he would.
Bringing a balance due of $8. $8.
$8?
Well, that's $8 minus the dollar deposit, making it $7.
I'll go get my purse.
Well, you're not obliged to take it.
Of course I'm obliged. He ordered the deluxe.
I now owe you $103.72.
74.
Maybe you come around in time. Get a little thirsty, get a little hungry. Time sure does have a way with criminals, don't it? Sure do. Well, it's getting on to 5. Somebody ought to be stirring over the cafe. I think I'll step over there a while.
Howdy.
Howdy.
What you having?
Waffles.
I already ate. I had waffles too. They sure are good, ain't they?
They ain't bad for waffles.
I bet you're starving to death. I'm gonna cut you a big piece of pie.
Just around. There's a rainbow in the sky.
So let's have another cup of coffee. Okay, you got it straight? Corner East Waring and Burlington, 11 o'clock. Just show up there with tears in your eyes, that's all. Let's go!
Hurry up, Doctor. This baby's got to go winky-tinky.
Don't worry. Come on, we're ready. Come on now. Well, you don't look real physical, so just come on down.
I ain't coming.
Listen here, child.
No, I won't listen here.
What the heck's up with you then?
I want to sit in front. And how come we ain't working no more?
Because we're on vacation, that's why. And Miss Delight and me are sitting in front because we are 2 grown-ups. And that's where grown-ups do the sitting.
You still owe me $200.